friendosies, okay? I am BZ, and today I'm doing just an impromptu video, a what's under my sink video. Just because we are nearing spring, thank God for that. And we're gonna be needing to do some spring cleaning, so I'm kind of taking inventory of like the stuff that I already have. And I just kind of want to show like what's in my cleaning arsenal, what essentials do I keep on deck for when I need to clean, which is quite often. So I use a lot of these products. But yes, I just wanted to do a little something like that. I hope everybody is doing well. And yeah, let's get let's get right into it. Okay, so let me give you phew. It's a little cray under here. I was none the wiser. Okay, there's some flash. This is everything that's under my sink. I keep my cleaning products under my sink. I don't know about you guys. Let me know where you store your things. I don't have a pantry, unfortunately, in this place, so I have to make space and make do with what space I do have, although it is limited, but it gets the job done. Okay, so anyway, let's see what we got. So here I have, there we go, much better. Okay, so here I have some SOS pads. I store them in a little Ziploc baggie because, well, it's not a little one, but just a Ziploc baggie, because the box it normally comes in, I find, come on now, speech, I find that the cleaning product that is on these scrapers or scrubbers, it's powder, so it falls out of the box. So I was getting tired of dealing with that, so I just always take them from the box and put them in a bag. As you can see, it's like it is. So yeah, I just store them like that. And then right here I have, I think there's two in here, maybe 2, 3, several. It's a few of these Swiffer duster, little cleaning duster thingies. I do have a reusable one that I like to use, but I also try to keep some of these disposable ones on hand, and I order them from Amazon. Down here I have some Clorox wipes. I love the what scent is this? The fresh scent, but I will take clean crisp lemon if they have it, if that's all they have. Here I have some large trash bags that I get from my mom. Oops, my bad. Here is the Clorox fabric sanitizer. I typically use this one, which is the Tide antibacterial fabric spray, because this one, the Clorox one, was very hard to find. And there's also a Clorox one that comes in a little bottle like this, but that one is more like a pre-treatment that you have to put in the wash after you spray your items down, and this one is not. So this is cool if I can find it, but if not, I get the Tide, and the Tide smells really good, so I like to have that. Back here I have this microban. I actually bought this back when we were in quarantine, so this was like March, April. This was like one of the only antibacterial sprays that I could find, but unfortunately the original top that came on this kind of exploded. So I had one of these pumps that came on, I think, like a concentrated detergent or something like that, and I just put this on. I haven't actually used a spray at all, but I like to have it in the event that I need something and I run out of what I normally would use. So that's that. Up here at the top I have one left, so I need to get some more of these. I get these Mr. Clean Magic erasers from the dollar store. Really nice to have on hand for anything really that is a spot that is hard to get off. I also like to keep these on hand because I have a sneaker collection, and I find that these really help to keep the midsole on, a white midsole on a sneaker, clean. So I like to keep these on hand, but I don't have any more other than this one. So yeah. And don't know. Okay. I have, oh, is this open? Why is it in here? Okay, I have these dry sweeping cloths that I got from Aldi. They are like the Swiffer ones. I like this if I am, well, before vacuuming, I sometimes will go over the floor with this, or even after I vacuum, just to see if the floor is still dirty. So I like to keep these on hand. They are inexpensive. I think they also sell something similar to this at the dollar store too. So yeah, if you don't have like an Aldi nearby. And Lysol wipes. My preference is Clorox, not gonna lie to you, but Lysol was just really cranking them out at the beginning of the pandemic. So I have some left over, so I'm just keeping those on hand. We come back up here to the front. I have a small Fabuloso in the scent that we all know, the lavender. I also have some more in the back, but we'll get to that. Okay, I'm gonna skip to this first because story back there. I have some Dawn antibacterial dishwashing liquid, and it's also a hand soap. Also something that I bought like at the beginning of the quarantine. Alternatively, I typically will use just regular Dawn for dishes, but like, so I've had several bottles of this, but I was like, you know what, I need to start using this up because I have a whole nother one of these in the back over here. So I was like, you know what, let me just start using that. So I kept one of these bottles and have been refilling it because this is like a refill, I think. Is this a refill? Sure. Right up in there. So I just have been refilling the bottle that I am currently using that's on top of the sink with this. I don't love the apple smell, but it is what it is. I have some white vinegar. Also need to get some more of that. I usually use just the dollar store glass cleaner because, like, who cares, right? But I was seeing some people use this spray away, and I was like, you know what, let me see what the fuss is really about. And I'm not gonna lie, it is really good. So I got this from Target, I believe, and I really do like it. Here I have Mr. Clean's Febreze multi-surface cleaner. I like using this when I'm cleaning in the bathroom. So for example, what I'll do is I'll put some hot water in a bucket, in one of these pink buckets that I have down here. Is the light on? It's kind of dull. But yeah, sorry about that. So I'll put some hot water in a bucket, and I'll also add some dish detergent or dishwashing liquid and some of this Mr. Clean. And I'll use that to like clean the bathroom. So that's why I have that. But my favorite like multi-surface cleaner is actually by Clorox. I'll put a picture on the screen. I think I've talked about it before. I love it, but it's hard to find. So I was trying to try something new. I don't love the smell of this, but it gets the job done. So, you know, it is what it is. Now, oh, also Lysol. Love Lysol spray. Not a huge fan of the wipes. Just because I can never find the other scents. Like, it's always lemon, and I'm not a big lemon cleaning smell person. Like, I don't know why, but I'm not. So I just be like, but for the purposes of getting what needs to be done, sure. The spray, on the other hand, yes please. The crisp linen, yes please. So definitely like to have some of this on hand for everything. I like to sanitize everything. So like, you know, this is getting used quite a bit. So love to have that on hand. Now, I grew up in a household, and most of you, I hope, can relate. Saturday morning, your mom is up cleaning, and you smell the crisp, nearly burning, stinging smell of Pine Sol throughout the home. That's when you knew business was getting handled, okay? So as an adult, I have transformed into my mom basically, and I love Pine Sol, okay? Pine Sol for my floors, yes, please, all right? And it has always been an antibacterial germ killer situation, okay? So I don't want to say antibacterial because I could be using that wrong, but it kills germs, all right? That is a takeaway. So I love this stuff. It was also hard to find when we were in the pandemic, but of course now things are more accessible. I have been using this for years, so I always like to keep some on stock. So, and also though, I am more of a pine sol in the fall winter person. I'm going to show you what I use in the spring. But yeah, so I have a few bottles of that, and I get mine from Family Dollar because it's like inexpensive. And I always like to save a little buck, so you know. This though, Mademoiselle, I love the Fabuloso in this passion of fruit scent. It smells like apples, as you can see apples on the little label here. This is such a beautiful scent. Present BD here. I prefer this apple scent over the Dawn apple scent. The Dawn one, I don't know. They just didn't get it right, but Fabuloso, they nail it and it smells wonderful. And I use this on the floors, like to clean the hardwood floors in the bathroom. There's tile, so I use it there as well. And it's also a multi-surface cleaner, so you could use it, you know, if you're cleaning like your kitchen or your bathroom, toilet, shower, whatever. But I like this for the floors. And in the spring, summer, the fruity deliciousness, like, I mean, not delicious because it's not edible, please don't, but like the smell is just beautiful. So I like to have that. Also got that from Family Dollar because it's been cold. I haven't been able to use it, but of course we're heading towards spring, so I am good to go there. And then in the back I just have my double packs of the Clorox clinging bleach gel in the ocean mist scent. Have to have this stuff. I see that people are using it for other cleaning purposes too. I've been watching some videos, some YouTube compilations of TikTok videos because I'm not on TikTok. So yeah, finding out different ways to use that. So that is basically, I think that went there. I think this went here. We're gonna put, no, what? I don't know. We'll come back to it. Inside, I have a box of these trash bags that I get from Walmart. I already have this one out. This was from a previous box, so I just have some re-up right there. This is also Walmart bleach. Gotta tell you, don't love it. I was trying to, you know, save a little coin, thinking, oh, bleach is bleach, it's just going down a drain. No, absolutely not. So I'm switching over to Clorox after this bottle because yeah, I do not think that it keeps whites brighter longer. I do not think so. But it does kill the germs, so you know, use this in the bathroom. I also have another video where I talk about how I use bleach in my home, so I will link that in the cards above and put a link in the description box. In these buckets, I have two buckets. One is just like a storage bucket, and then the other one is the bucket that I use when I am cleaning around the house. And this is a little what do you call it, like a slip proof mat type of thing. Sure. So that's what that is. And in here I just have like additional cleaning products. I have my Method all-purpose cleaner. I use a lot of this stuff if I'm doing like just a weekly cleaning or something like that, where I'm not like really busting suds. Because personally I am the type of person that I don't think a deep clean is a deep clean unless you have some soap and water. So like spraying down something and wiping it off is cool for like in between cleaning, but in terms of like a deep cleanse, I have to have some dish soap and some bleach possibly, and some hot water, you know, and a rag, and really bust suds, like, because to me that's how you really clean this effect. That's just my way of doing it, but for in between little like cleanings and stuff like that, I do like to keep some stuff on hand. I have like this Pledge. I use that on my cabinets. I have this other Method cleaner. I have my stainless steel cleaner and polish that I really like from Women, and it has some CLR. I don't think I've ever used that. This is one of the best like degreasers ever. Like if you have stubborn stains on your stovetop, this is definitely really nice, and it leaves your appliance with a very nice shine. So I love this stuff.
So for this next clip, I don't know what happened to it. It doesn't start off exactly where I began speaking, but I'm just talking about this dial soap that you will see now.
They came in a pack. I have a few more in the back. That was also quarantine shopping because at the time Bath and Body Works was like they didn't have soap, or like it was just a shortage and things are shipping out very slowly. But since then, obviously I've been able to get soaps from Bath and Body Works, which are my preferred soap. So I just have a few of those in here. I think these are soaps that I picked up like in the fall. So yeah, so that's basically what I have under my sink. Thinking about doing like some organization. I mean, I don't have a lot of space here, so I think for the space that I do have, things are pretty tidy. And you know, I really don't be under here like that, so I'm not trying to, you know, Pinterest it out. But I love that. I love to see that, and I love when people do it. But for me, I don't know how necessary it is. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this very random impromptu video. Let me know what you keep under your sink. Let me know if you are ready for spring cleaning. I'm definitely ready for spring, and I'm ready to like put all my winter decor away and just really do a really nice deep clean of my home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.